My son is primarily a guitar player, but he's been doing some percussion work to add to his electronic compositions. So I got him this drum seat, and this is super comfortable. They describe it as like a motorcycle seat. It's got a nice quality faux leather, a good finish on it. Seems to be well made. Very sturdy. Supports weight well. I'm a big guy and I can sit on it. And adjusts in height. Legs fold up. The top comes off. So it can take up very little space. And to adjust the height, you spin it around. Loosening the knob down here, kind of like a old-time piano stool. You get it to where you want it, and you just lock that back down again, and it'll stay. And it's perfect. So if you need something like this, I say give it a try. I think you'll like it. Cheers.